In today's video, I'm going to spare your ears of hearing, "Are we there yet?" and kid boredom by installing iPads in your BMW X7. Hey, this is Brian. Thanks for watching Kies Motorsports. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, and check us out at KiesMotorsports.com. We love our BMW X7. It fits our family very well. It drives super nice, and all the kids have tons of room. But one thing that it's lacking is any kind of monitor system that you'd even find in like a 2004 Chrysler Town & Country. So today, we're going to show you how to install one. So if you own a G-Series BMW, whether it's a car or an SUV like this, your kids have most likely at one point in time played with this little trap door here, and you probably thought, what the heck is that for? Well, BMW actually has a variety of different accessories, from a coat hanger to tablet holders. So today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to install iPads in your BMW X7. Now, the parts that we are going to be installing today are BMW genuine OEM parts, and it's a two-part system. First, you have your tablet case, and then also you have your tablet holder. Now, BMW has a very specific list of exactly which tablets it works with, and we're going to have that list down in the description, which is also going to have links to these products as well. Now, the list, I believe, is a little bit outdated. Do you 100% need the specialized case? I don't really think so. We'll show you some measurements of what does and doesn't fit. We found that the list was a little bit outdated. I actually had to go on eBay to get some used tablets because the modern ones weren't really going to work with this. But anyway, let's get started with the install. Let me open these up and I'll show you what's inside. So in this package here, it's essentially just a tablet case, and it's just made of silicone like that. And you can see here, this is for the iPad Pro 9.7, stamp BMW right there. And all you do, just like if it was your phone, you just slide this cover on here like this, put on there, and you're halfway done this installation. That's the hard part. Once you get that on, it's all smooth sailing from here. Now, also included in the box is an anti-glare screen protector. I don't really like it. It makes the iPad have like a matte finish, and especially in the X7, if you have tinted windows and also the other sun visors, you shouldn't have, child luck. You shouldn't really have too many glare issues. Our kids use it just like this, and they have never once complained. And then in here, we have the actual iPad holder. And again, this is all BMW OEM stuff. This is nice, it's just one piece. Here's what it looks like. So basically it has this little button right here, and you can expand this, and I'll take a measurement for you so you can actually see, you know, rough sizing. So if you don't have this iPad, maybe you have a new iPad, we can see if maybe that'll work out for you. So basically, BMW wants to use what they're calling the safety case, and you put the tablet in the bottom there, push the button, raise it up, push it down, and then that is locked in and it's not going anywhere. Now, for demonstration purposes, so you can see what's going on, I'm going to take that off. This is the part that actually gets inserted into the little trap door section. There's a little button over here that allows you to control your angle. So again, it's very basic. And then when you want to pull it back out, there's a button on the side here. So on the left and right, that's going to retract those hooks, make it easy to remove. So to install it, it's that simple. You can set your angle, take your tablet, push your button, and that's it. It is that easy to set up. One thing that I will caution you of is my 2-year-old likes to kick it. So make sure that you have the seats back as far as they will go, especially if you have little kids, or maybe put it on the opposite side of the car where they can't get it. Again, to get the tablet out, you just lift up like that, pull out, and there you go. The other cool thing is BMW put these USB-C charging spots on here, and I will say, at first I was a little concerned that it wasn't going to be powerful enough to charge my iPad Pro, but it actually charges it better than when we have it plugged into the wall. So no issues with that on long trips, even if the kids are watching movies. So with that, I'm just going to install both and show you what it looks like. So as you can see, installing these tablets was painfully easy. The hardest part was just getting that silicone case on, and once you get the case on, it's pretty much all downhill from there because it just clips in. Now, one thing that I will say is you can either have your kids maybe use headphones, whether it's wired or wireless. If you want to, you can hook it up through Bluetooth. One of the things that you will get good at if you want to have the sound through the Bluetooth is have the same movie downloaded on both and just get really good at hitting play at the exact same time. And what you do is you basically have one synced up to the car, and then the other, you just try to get it as close as you can. Now, as I said before, it is highly recommended that you use BMW's safety case. However, if you're like me, you don't really care. I'm gonna try to give you some measurements here. All right, so as far as how wide of a tablet, let's just use BMW's case as an example. So it's 0.44 inches, so just under a ½ inch. Now, as far as the height, it's roughly 8 3/4. You have a hair more than that, and this actually is spring loaded, so you can flex it up. So if your tablet was, just a hair bigger, you could pop it in and get it to lock in. So you can see, like, this is an iPad, and I believe it's a 9.2 or 9.7 inch screen. I mean, you could see you could fit a really large tablet in here. I kind of wish I got the other ones, but these are probably better. These used ones I got on eBay, just in case the kids continue to kick them and break them and whatnot. But anyway, I hope today's video was helpful. If you are interested in tablet holders for your BMW, be sure to see the links down in the description. Once again, my name is Brian, that's Zach. Thanks for watching Kies Motorsports. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe for more BMW content, and check us out at KiesMotorsports.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.